A very crucial stage in Karnataka politics. DK Kumar and Siddaramaiah fight become the street fight now. The Congress high command is weak high command. That's why the power sharing, 2.5 years, 2.5 years power sharing, uh, that have to implement. That's a demand of DK Kumar. But Siddaramaiah is not leaving.
I command given the instruction CM and DCM go and together talk to your.
That thing will happen. Nothing will happen. Just courtesy, that's all.
It,
No, not,
it affects from function if administrative in Karnataka state.
yeah, 100%. Last 1 year, there is no development. There is no coordination between the CM, Deputy CM. No ministers is working. All ministers is in the home only. They are not coming to Vidhan Sauda
Some
to
of
work.
MLAs voters and others.
So, many MLAs, some not, many MLAs already they are gone. Yesterday also they gone near Bangalore, one resort, more than 12, 13 MLAs. Some MLAs went to Delhi. So, all are confusion. Entire state confusion. Who is the CM? We don't know. Siddaramaiah is not a CM now. So this is happening. This is the worst for the development and administration. The worst scenario we are seeing in Karnataka.
Sir, today NDA meeting, sir.
Today our meeting is there. Kumar Swamy and JDS and BJP meeting is there. Kumar Swamy will come. Our Vijayendra also by virtual because marriage is there. His family marriage. That's why. And Sunil also will join in the phone.
Other issues discussion, sir, today.
So many issues is there, more than 13, 14 issues is there already. This is the issues. North Karnataka issues there, land order development issues there, in
Decision SC.
and Parapragrara jail, their manufacturing, their wine manufacturing, liquor manufacturing in the jail. That is the special in Karnataka.